I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love. I done fell in love with your eyes. I done fell in love with your eyes.
Y'all, somebody need to call Outre, because they didn't even have to snap like this, for real. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kiara, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on a beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whichever one is fine with me. Y'all, today's video, I don't think I ever raved about a wig so hard since BOBBI's YARA. Y'all need to see that so y'all can see how hard I was going for this wig, and y'all will understand my excitement for this unit right here, because baby, I'm in love with this unit. This is Outre Audrina. Audrina is not to be fucked with, okay? She's giving a vibe for sure. She's giving high maintenance, high standard vibes, and I love everything about it. Cause bitch, that's all I'm about. It was a very quick install. I didn't even like glue it down or anything like this. So she's the perfect grab and go wig. She's the perfect everyday wig if you ask me. But like, yeah, we'll just go get to this video. Cause girl, she talking. She got something to say. Period. I'm so excited. This wig right here, she is fire. She's giving raw hair for a raw bitch vibes. Like, shorty, the layers is already in there, the little wave is in there already. It's really giving boss bad bitch vibes. Like, I automatically feel rich at this point. Like, go get my chauffeur. No, but for real, I'm telling you, certain wigs bring out certain personalities, and this wig just really emulate luxury to me. Like, I feel like such a luxurious bad bitch, and I got my robe on. You can't tell me nothing right now. Like, y'all, I love this wig. This is gonna be my go-to wig whenever I feel like throwing something on and throwing off. As you guys saw, I did not glue this down. And let's talk about this lace, because it's HD for sure. I didn't even melt this down. It's still looking good. Now granted, I could go in with some a little bit darker shade, and then you won't see that at all right there, but I ain't even thinking about that right now. I'm looking at this hair. Outre, yeah, I'll snap. Only thing I will say though, if they still developing this wig, I would love to see this as a full lace frontal wig, because as you guys saw earlier, it's just the part and a little bit of the sides out. If this was like a full, you know how like Solana wood lace, if it was like a wood lace model, y'all, I would be so, get this wig, that's all I gotta say. It was a real quick install, on and off. Take this bitch off whenever I feel like it, put it back on when I feel like it. Straight out the box, this bitch was tangly. She was Tangle City. I just knew I was gonna have a problem with her, but no, I brushed her out a little bit, showed her a little bit of love, you know, and I keep rubbing my fingers through it. I can't stop doing it because the hair, the texture of the hair just feels so good. It's really giving raw vibes for real, and these layers are cut to perfection because you can feel the weight at the bottom. Like, I love this wig. But anyways, back to the cons. There are flyaways. You're gonna have to, you know, put some water, put some mousse on her to keep her tamed, because the flyaways is crazy in this wig, and the shedding. Those are my only two cons with this wig. But I could deal with it, cause it ain't it's not overwhelming. It's not doing the most. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that, because these are all initial reviews. Disclaimer: all of my videos are initial reviews, so just throwing that out there. But y'all, I'm gonna go put on the dress. I'll probably review this in some more colors, because they have a whole line, y'all. They snap with the catalog picture too. You see her? And let it focus. Yes. Yes, ma'am. But wait. They got so many colors to choose from. Look at that cinnamon. Do you see that? And then, look, I'm going to try this one. Here's the back so you guys can see the color range. You got a good, decent amount of colors to choose from. So, shout out to them for that. They really snapped with this wig. I really fucked with it, for real. I definitely approve. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you are aware of when I post. Follow me on all my social media platforms that will be listed at the end of this video. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Vibes, 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 vibes.